Kivora Signature Lipstick is marketed as a premium lipstick that promises rich color, long-lasting wear, and a comfortable finish. But the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, many modern lipsticks offer good pigmentation and decent wear time. The real difference usually comes down to formula, comfort, and how well it performs throughout the day. What it does well: rich color payoff. Many lipsticks in this category are designed to deliver bold, vibrant color, easy to apply. A smooth formula can make application quick and even, where the hype falls apart. Long-lasting doesn't mean all day. This is the biggest issue. Most lipsticks will fade after eating, drinking, or extended wear. Results vary by formula and lip type. What feels moisturizing for one person may feel dry for another. Marketing can exaggerate performance. Claims of smudge-proof or transfer-proof often have limitations. So, should you buy Kivora Signature Lipstick? Short answer: only with realistic expectations. It may offer good color and everyday wear, but expecting flawless, all-day performance without touch-ups is likely unrealistic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.